In this video, you'll learn how to change your username in WordPress. This process involves navigating through your account settings to update your username effectively. Following these steps will ensure that your new username is set correctly across your WordPress site. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once the page loads, you should see a prompt to sign in if you are not already logged in. Enter your credentials and proceed to access your dashboard. This is the main hub where you can manage your WordPress site. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This action will take you to the section where all your WordPress sites are listed. You should see an overview of your sites displayed here, allowing you to select the one you want to manage. After that, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon typically resembles a person's silhouette or your current profile picture. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings to continue with the username change process. Once you're in the account settings section, look for the option labeled Account Information. Clicking on this will take you to a new screen where you can view and edit your account details. It is important to ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. Now, find the section that specifies username. Click on this to enable the text field where you can enter your new username. Make sure to choose a username that is unique and reflects your identity or brand. After typing in your desired username, verify that it meets any specified criteria such as length or character restrictions. Once you have entered the new username, look for a confirmation button to save your changes. This may be labeled Save Changes or something similar. Click this button to confirm your new username. You may receive a notification indicating that your changes have been successfully saved, which confirms that the process is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.